Hi, it's me, Miss V. I'm here in the art room working on our first grade chef puppets. We have already made the puppet. We have hair, an apron, we even have little accessories. We're good to go, but we still need a chef hat. Today we're going to be making a chef hat. The materials you're going to need for this project are bakery paper. You could probably use wax paper. This is copy paper, and I cut it vertically the long way into about 1-inch strips. To make this, take a piece of bakery paper or wax paper and hold it vertically. You're going to make, and you can come zoom in on me, my hands. You're going to make an accordion fold with the bakery paper. I'm going kind of fast. Okay. Depending on the age of the children you are working with for this project, you may want to have them practice on a piece of copy paper first and make some just simple paper fans. Okay, here is my completed accordion folded hat. Okay, I'm gonna open that up and I'm going to take my strip of paper, maybe a little less than 1 inch would be better. Okay, and as you can see, when I extend the wax paper all the way, this dry wax paper all the way, it's just about the same length as my copy paper. See that right there? Do you see where I'm going with this? Kind of starting to look like a chef hat. Okay, now I'm going on to a glue stick. Purple, so you can see. I'm gonna really coat the headband part, and I am going to put it at the bottom of my dry wax paper, and I want to align the copy paper strip with the bottom of the wax paper. Okay, so now here I am so far. Okay, next I am going to close this up with, surprise, glue stick. So carefully, this stuff can rip, you want to be careful. Go ahead and put glue stick in a strip, the short end of your wax paper, and then you're just going to close it up. And you want, see this right now? I have a little tube, a little cylinder. See where I'm going with this? Okay. So I am going to make sure that that is secure. And at this point, I might write my name on the headband. I have to do that. Okay, for the next part, I want you to carefully go to the top where there is no copy paper, okay, just the top. I want you to carefully twist. Almost looks like, kind of like the shape of a Hershey's Kiss right now. Okay, we are almost done, chefs. We're going to turn this thing inside out, and yes, you can do it. So I'm going to carefully turn this inside out. And art teachers, I had 7-year-olds do this last week. So you just have to be slow and careful. We're going to turn this inside out. Yes, you can see the purple glue, but we know that's going to dry. And now I have a little chef hat for my puppet. This one's already dried. You can't see the purple anymore. Let's see how that looks. We'll puff it out a little bit. Should fit just right. So now we have a chef hat. You're going to be sure to write your name in pencil on the band. And we are going to staple these on for the puppet show. That's all for today. Bye-bye.